Christmas in the Caribbean, we got everything but snow. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this is How to Play Christmas in the Caribbean by Jimmy Buffett. The chords are really easy. We're going to start with a G. First finger hangs loose. Your middle finger plays the 5th string 2nd fret. Your ring finger plays the 6th string 3rd fret. And your pinky plays the 1st string 3rd fret. Play all 6 strings. To go from there to the C, pick up your pinky, move these 2 fingers over together, 1 string. So your middle finger winds up on the 4th string 2nd fret, and your ring finger winds up on the 6th string 3rd fret. Then your first finger goes down on the 2nd string 1st fret. Play 5 strings. To go back to the G, you just reverse the process. Pick up the first finger, move these 2 fingers, put your pinky back down. To go from the C to the D, it's just as simple. Pick up your first finger, slide these 2 all the way down, so you have your middle finger on the 1st string 2nd fret, and your ring finger on the 2nd string 3rd fret, and then your first finger can sit down on the 3rd string 2nd fret. Play 4 strings. Last chord is an E minor, one of the easiest chords to play. First finger hangs again, middle finger goes on the 5th string 2nd fret, ring finger goes on the 4th string 2nd fret. Play all 6. We got everything but snow. Almost forgot the D7. Your first finger plays the 2nd string 1st fret, middle finger plays the 3rd string 2nd fret, and your ring finger plays the 1st string 2nd fret. Play 4 strings, same as a D. To switch from the G to the B7 in the verse, you're going to leave your middle finger exactly where it is. Your first finger plays the 4th string 1st fret, your ring finger moves over to the 3rd string 2nd fret, and your pinky plays the 1st string 2nd fret. Play 5 strings. The strumming pattern on this is fairly simple too, although it sounds kind of complicated. The main thing is to keep a nice steady down up, down up, down up, down up. 1 E and a 2 E and a 1, 2. The tempo is kind of slow, but we're going to move our hand in 16th notes. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. That's to get all those neat little reggae upbeats. So you're going to go 1, down up, 1, 2, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. That's the basic beat. Now you notice in the play along, I threw in a lot of other stuff. If you're playing guitar by yourself, you'll need to do that. If you're with a band, you want to make sure you give everybody else the space that you need for a reggae. Practice that with me right now. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. My hand keeps moving. I'm muting the strings with the G chord. Just lay it down, keep your fingers where they are, put them back. By keeping your hand moving on the rhythm, you're keeping the tempo steady and you don't have to guess when the next hit is. One E and a 2 E and a 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E. I just strum when I get to those beats. I'm Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Christmas in the Caribbean by Jimmy Buffett. I hope you enjoy it.